Okay, so I had a little bit of a scare this morning. So I've got the battery pack back in the car, and the car wouldn't start. And turns out it wouldn't start. The lights would go on and stuff. The gauge panel would go on, and but it was like a red triangle. You know, it was all lit up. So so the problem is I don't think I put this the safety plug in all the way. This guy right here. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna take it out because I don't want it to, you know, I want it to run still. But basically I put it in and I flipped it 90 degrees. Is it like it goes up, it goes down and up 90 degrees, this lever here. And I didn't know that you had to push it down too. Like, I guess I must have forgot when I took it out, you know. And as soon as I fixed that, and then the battery voltage was low. I checked it; it was like 7 volts. So I'm like, man, it's still not starting. Like, that's weird. And then I checked the voltage on the auxiliary battery here, and it's like 7 volts. I was like, oh crap! It's like, what happened? So I don't know. Maybe that's an old battery or something, and it's not very thing. But so I jumped it, and it ran. So I was like, woo! All right. Triangle of death gone and everything, so I'm happy for now. I gotta put the car back together. It's still in pieces, but I'm gonna try to get I'm gonna try to at least get the battery back in it and then start test driving it, and then I'm gonna clean the fan here, the cooling system. So I'm gonna take it out, blow the dust out and stuff, clean up all the stuff in the blower, and then we'll be good to go. But it looks like it's good for now. I can just start buttoning up the battery back again. So yeah. So the problem was the battery. I'm assuming that stepping on the brake pedal the whole time killed the battery because the lights. And I know this car's been sitting for like a little bit, so I might want to try, probably, well, I'll even check the voltage right now, so let's double check. Still on. This is hard to do with one hand. Oh, 12 volts. It's okay, I guess. I would like it to be more than 12 volts, but maybe I gotta do some driving. So yeah, I don't know what happened. Maybe that's what happens when you start it without the service plug in. with the service plug not inserted correctly, it drains the battery maybe, because it's just running off of that. So yep. All right, HadesOmega out. Looks like it's good. I just got to do some test drives and clean the car up. HadesOmega out. But yeah, so what happened was I can't probably duplicate it anymore. But what happened was all these lights went on, and yeah, so like all the lights went on, and then it was displaying this parking thing. Oh, it's not gonna do it now, but okay, let's start the car up. Basically, it's gonna do this. It's gotta be in drive. Oh, there we go. See, that's what it does. So that it's gonna show that, and yeah, a red triangle and all these other lights. Yeah, I don't want the car to take off. But yeah, so it's gonna show that parking thing, like, oh, the parking brake isn't engaged and you're still in drive type thing. That's basically what it showed when but hey, look, it's working. It's charging the battery, and it's there's no triangle, so that's good. HadesOmega out.